three matters in item number 20. My lord, the two second matters, my lord, they are different, and first matter. So first of all,
They are not similar matters.
They are not similar matters because they are. Let me clarify. The first matter, as per my instruction, relates to recruitment of Sanskrit teachers, whereas the second two matters relate to relate to Hindi teachers, recruitment of Hindi teachers. So the second two matters are identical. So let the first matter be segregated from the second matters and are separate. This is just a minute. This is my first submission. Second submission, my lord, your lordship, these our matters have been specifically fixed by your lordships as per the cause, as it reveals from the cause list to the second week of September. Now, my lord, this has appeared today in your lordship's board. And my lord, we are not informed who has mentioned it for getting our matter list.
In this case, counter and your lordship, in this case, counter and rejoinder has already been filed. Your lordship, humbly praise the matter may be posted to second week of September. The final, your lordship may decide the matter.
That matter.
Yes.
Two second matters. Last two matters. So far as last two matters are concerned, that is relating to the post of Hindi teacher. I have also filed application for intervention in both the matters. My intervention application has not yet come. Your lordship may call for my intervention application and allow the intervention application.
Highly objects.
And by the way, there is no objection for his
petition.
How you are agreeing that matter is detagged?
No matter. I am for the staff selection commission. Here,
no, he is saying mine is Hindi, mine is Sanskrit post, teacher's post. They are Hindi teacher's post. In that, Mr. Swain has already moved application for interview.
That is not there in the list.
I have already filed, it has not come.
But the issue is that
it is not posted.
right now it is
Issue is same. Issue is same.
But
Issue is same.
is mine.
Kindly.
Issue is same.
Read about it. Your matter, he will argue his matter.
The difficulty is that because of the interim order passed by this honorable court staying the entire selection process, we are being affected. So your lordship may hear this matter finally at an early date. That is my second request.
WPC, which is that to be detached.
Last matter is to be detached from the second two matters.
WPC 16242 of 2025 to be detached from
Number to the
detached from other matters. And it is to be posted along with WP number.
That is the single matter. That is the single matter.
The application, intervention application.
Well, I have given the number.
Number so.
Well, that is IA number 14265 of 2025 in the first matter.
142.
With copy may be short.
No, 1 second.
14265 of 2025 in the first matter. That is Firoz Kumar Mahapatra's matter. And second matter is given the number. I have filed in Rakesh Kumar Barik case. I have also filed intervention applications. In my sleep, I have given the number.
Yes, from this matter, second week of September. Then the other matters to be
interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue till next week. In WP is that next week. Call these matters on the WP 16242 of 2025 is posted. Same day it will.
Yes.
So that these matters will appear on the same day.
Yes.
But separately.
Published. Yes.
Post intervention application in IA number.
That I have given. In the second matter, I have given in the sleep.
Along with you.
Lord, in the first
Your Lordship allowed that I.
Not allowing it is not good.
in the first sub-item, WPC number 1624-25. I have filed an IA, my lord, that is one.
All IAs to be posted along with them.
Lord, that is for intervention, my lord.
That's what.
And that's-
It has to come before the court. It is not posted to.
No, that is to stage, it is already
Let us see,
there.
there is one more application, na?
Then a copy may be directed to be short.
Give copy.
Digital.
Incomplete.
Wherever is there to continue till next day.
How the